Hey guys, welcome back. Today's deep dive, we will not just talk about one stock, not even two, but three stocks to buy. Why these three stocks are set to go up much higher, right? Okay, so let's dive right in, right? What are the three stocks? The three stocks are Target. Target offers everyday essentials at low prices, and also Lululemon, right, which focuses on premium activewear for fitness fans, and also Verizon, which provides phone and internet service to billions, right? Okay, so I will deep dive into each of these stocks fundamentally and technically, and show you and let's share with you the price points where you could actually accumulate or even aim at for the price to reach, right? Okay, so stay tuned, right? But first, let's talk about Target, right? Okay, Target dividend yield is nearly 5%, one of the highest in retail, which is fantastic, right? If you are a stockholder, investor in stocks and shares, and you are someone who like to collect dividend, this could be one of the very good candidate to consider, right? Okay. Now, recent news shows activists, investors pushing for better operations, right? Okay, which is also good news, right? The stock holds buy signals from trends, right? This is arguable, right? Some people might not say the same thing, right? Okay, so we skip that, right? Okay, digital sales grew 2% last quarter from same day delivery, right? Marketplace platforms increased by 50%, right? Okay, all these efforts build profitability online, which is a great thing, right? Because everyone is going online to buy things now, right? Now, and of course, recent news, Target outlines 5 billion this year CapEx plan as company accelerates store and technology investments, which is a great thing also, right? Okay. But these are basically fundamental news and and so I will actually look at the technicals to share with you what I think the price of this stock is going to move, right? Okay, and where are the possible accumulation points that you can actually acquire the stocks, right? Share with you an updated version of this, right? Okay, so let's take a look at the daily time frame, right? Okay, the daily time frame shows that it is starting to be very bullish. Why? Because over here we can see that it has just turned uptrend, right? Okay, and a lot of times that when you change a trend, it actually lasts pretty long, right? Okay, so this is a downtrend and it has lasts pretty long, right? Okay, and this could be a start of a very long uptrend, right? But of course, this is based on the daily time frame. We can't see too far. It's more of a short-term view. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame, right? Okay, let's take a look at weekly time frame. Now, the weekly time frame also shows that the recent weeks, right, it has been showing green candlesticks. That means week after week, it has been climbing steadily, slowly going higher and higher, right? Okay, and like I say, a couple of weeks, a few weeks ago, I have a video, right? You might want to watch it. And before you even it was way below $100, and I call for it to break above $100 and much more, right? Okay, so you can see that it has already done that, right? Okay, so what is the and if you look at the monthly time frame, it looks really good that the long drawn correction of like almost like 4 to 5 years, right? Okay, is almost over and ready to move much higher. So long term wise, the next one is Lululemon, right? Okay, China sales jumped 46% year on year, which is a very good fundamental news for them, right? Okay, and new CEO in 2026 could spark a turnaround. He could make things change, right? Okay, and Lululemon also raised fourth quarter outlook after the holiday success, right? Okay, so revenue near top 3.5 billion, right? Okay, which is fantastic, right? And it trades at 16 times earnings, below their peers, right? And this could be and China could turn into a growth engine for Lululemon, right? Okay, so that's the fundamental news. What do I think technically that it is going to move, right? Okay, so let's just put in Lululemon, right? Okay, stock symbol is Lulu, right? And let's start off with the shorter time frame chart, right? Shorter time frame chart, and we take a look, right? Okay. By the way, if you are interested to trade without thinking too much, right? Okay, you could actually use our profit signal over here, right? Okay, our profit signal over here. Why I say this is because with our profit signal, you could actually see all the buy points and sell points as the stock move in price, right? Okay, so you can see over here, it takes a bit of time of calculation and loading for it to appear, but basically you can see sell points here actually cause it to go down, sell point here actually cause it to go down, sell point here actually cause it to go down, right? Okay, not 100%, right? Okay, but it does give you a very good idea when the big move is. So you can notice the signal always comes out when there is going to be a big move, right? Okay, so if you love big move, then definitely come for my free workshop where I share with you how you could actually use the profit signal to make more profits for you, right? Okay, but let's come back to this, right? Lulu. Right now, Lulu, and again, right? Lulu has just turned uptrend, and it might be a long-term, long-drawn, right? It could be a long-drawn uptrend starting from now, right? Okay, so you can see the previous downtrend actually caused it to last pretty long, right? Okay, and this could be very good profits if you short it down, right? Just like follow my profit signal, selling it down, all the red triangles, right? Okay, so starting from here on, okay, my profit signal is going to trigger all the buy signals, right? Okay, and the right time to buy will be to follow the buy signals, right? Because it actually couples our proprietary trade to win strategy to crunch all the numbers, right? The pricing, and come up with the buying. Once the buy signal comes out, right, it actually confirms the buying momentum is there, the buying demand is there, right? Okay, so but over here, these are the short-term view, pretty bullish, right? Like I say again, turning uptrend, and price moving pretty okay, right? Okay. Hey, by the way, I have mentioned this also a few weeks ago on Lulu, right? Okay, but it didn't move much, right? Basically, you is stagnant, right? Okay, it's just sideways, right? Okay, so but coming back to this, right? Okay, let's take a look at the weekly time frame, right? Okay, so it has started to rebound from a low of roughly $160, right? Okay, this is actually a very, very good support level, right? This is a very good support level. It might not even correct and just continue moving higher, right? Okay, so because why I say this is because technically all these stocks are already very bullish, right? Why I say this is because if you look at the monthly time frame, it's already having the kind of buying momentum based on my trade to win strategy, and we know that it is going to move, right? Okay, and because of that, even the weekly time frame, which is might be due for a correction, might not happen, right? Okay, so take note of that. So you might want to get in immediately, or just wait for the price, but I have to warn you that the price might not happen for you, right? Okay, it might just continue. The next one, right? Okay, exciting, right? Okay, the next one is Verizon, right? Okay, Verizon free cash flow is robust, right? Backing the high dividend. Now, recent deals with AI firms like Kodiak for trucking, right, means more revenue for them, right? Okay, revenue is up 5% last quarter, right, to 34.5 billion, right? And EBIT is estimates by 2%, right? Okay, business earnings rose 6%, which is fantastic. Stable in tough markets with low volatility. So this stock doesn't move much, right? Okay. Dividends grow modestly each year, which is fine. So let's take a look at the chart and see what I think technically, why I think this might move, right? Okay. So let's start off with the money time frame first, right? Okay. Let's start off with the money time frame, and Why I say this, it's still loading. Right, okay, so let's wait for a while for it to load. Yeah, maybe we might want to switch to the 4 monthly, even longer time frame, right? Okay, even longer time frame. Yeah, while we are waiting for it to load, yeah, it just loaded, right? Okay, so this, even though there's not much data from using my trade to win strategy, I know that the demand to buy is there already, right? The demand to buy, the momentum is there, everything is there, right? Based on the 4 monthly time frame, right? Which is fix it just like that. As price goes, and the technical charts move, right? Things might change, and I might just change my targets or ultimate target or even my price point that I want to go in, right? Okay, so this brings down to the uniqueness of our trade to win strategy, right? Okay, and this is a proprietary strategy that I actually use in my all my technical analysis, right? Okay, so as you can see, I was spot on target a few weeks ago. Towards end of December, I called for target to go much higher when it was way below $100, right? Okay, and it now is surged past $100 and even reaching 110, right? Okay, now almost a 10% appreciation in less than 1 month, right? Okay, and this is just by using the trade to win strategy, right? Okay, so if you like to learn this strategy, then sign up for my free training at winningtrader.com/training. Right, in this training, I will share with you the exact strategy of the trade to win strategy, how I actually came to the conclusion that there is buying momentum, buying demand, and is ready to move on that day, on that price, right? Okay, so do go for it, right? Okay, and in that training, I share a lot more, not just the strategy, right? Okay, I still share with you our proprietary trade to win profit signal, right? A signal that will auto generate, crunch all the numbers and give you the buy signal and sell signal as well, right? Okay, now with that said, right, okay, let me just wrap up. If you want more stock speaks, join our Telegram channel for daily market updates, right? Okay, and also join our mailing list to get daily action steps, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? Okay, and like the videos so that more people like you is able to watch this video and benefit from our video and profit together, right? My hope is that we all profit together and make money from the markets together, right? Okay, and making more informed choices, right? Okay, thank you for watching, and may the profits be with you. Always invest and trade with passion, and I'll see you real soon.
I hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.